Hello! In this video, we will learn about URL optimizations within the core framework and some very useful things that Sir Corey has shared. The first thing you should know is that when the Google bot comes to our page, the very first thing it looks at is the URL of our page. Your URL should be logical and reflect your main topic in every respect. It should also align with the website's topicality, meaning the main focus of the website. Furthermore, you must not repeat a single word multiple times within the URL. Now, let's say our URL contains scaffolding in its category, and the category is also included in the URL. If the page is also about scaffolding, and that word is also appearing there, it will get mixed up. So, since the word scaffolding is coming from the category, you should not use the word scaffolding in the article itself if your goal is internal linking. The second point is that URLs have the most minor impact on rankings, but they contribute to SEO clarity. What are the best practices? Use only one or two words in the URL. Regarding the basics of URL structure, the articles in the core section of our typical map should have flat URLs, whereas the outer section should have deep URLs. What is meant by flat and deep? Flat means they are close to the home page, while deep means they have been broken down into subcategories. Next, the URL context changes based on the structure. Now let's say we have /life, which is an article, followed by /religion, which is a sub-article. On the other side, we have a /culture article, and it also has a sub-article. Both of these end pages are about religion. Although the end sub-articles of both pages are religion, they have different perspectives. In the context of culture, you will have to explain things connected to culture within religion. In the context of life, you have to explain the other rituals or how your daily life is intertwined with religious activities. This is just an example. If there is any such case, even if they have the same URL, their perspective will be the same category-wise, but the context will be different. Furthermore, the title of your website should also be based on the URL structure. Any changes you make in the title must mostly align with the URL structure. All right, next we have the root, which is our broadest category. You could call it our main page or even the parent page. In Corey's terminology, we call this the root. This is our main pillar page. Examples could be technology, Germany, etc. Next, the subtopics within the root are what we call seeds. The root, which is like the trunk, branches out. Many subtopics emerge from the trunk. For instance, in technology, we have artificial intelligence, blockchain, and security. Next is the node. This specific topic is highly detailed and defines various aspects of the seed. Now, let's say we have a topic, artificial intelligence. It will be broken down into machine learning algorithms, AI in healthcare, and natural language processing techniques. These are all breakdowns of AI. Let's look at another example. Suppose our root is technology and its seed is artificial intelligence. Now, its node is machine learning algorithms. The articles within that node would be things like understanding deep learning. Then, for AI in healthcare, the articles might be revolutionizing patient care with AI. Next is natural language processing techniques, which might include exploring NLP. Structuring your website based on this framework has many benefits. Firstly, it offers good navigation. Secondly, it strengthens topical authority, improves SEO, and helps search engines clearly understand the relationships between content pieces. This is how our data is organized from root to seed and from seed to node. Let's look at some practical examples. This article is about Germany, so it is basically the root article. Next, we have visa, which becomes the seed. The types of German visas are then the nodes. The nodes then continue to break down according to the category, or you could say according to the seed. In this way, their URL structure also breaks down. This is actually in the Turkish language. So here we have the German link, then the visa, and then the type of visa. They are broken down in this manner. Even our client websites are broken down like this for this purpose. There are some specific plugins and many other things that you need to do. We will learn about those things during our practical case study